Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. As you all know, I'm back in Sweden now and I cannot wait to show off my Swedish life here. But I don't know about your mom, but my mom, every single time I come back home, the first thing she tells me is that I have to clean up all my old stuff that I still have left at my parents' house. I know, right? I told her that we're all waiting for some Swedish videos, but you know, when your mom tells you to do something, you gotta do it. However, I'm not only spending some time cleaning up the attic this week, I've also spent some time cleaning up my computer and my hard drive as well. As some of you may know, I'm already using the Data 1 terabyte hard drive for editing and saving all my video files. And now they were kind enough to send me another SSD drive as well, which is super fast. However, although I have both these awesome drives for my data, I do have a lot of old footage and old clips just lying around everywhere. For example, in here, me and Francois at Tainan. Here, me and Wes in Genting. So all these files are still here, although you have already seen all these videos. So I have spent a good amount of time deleting all these old files. But when I went through all my clips, I realized that it's such a shame that you've never seen these, because some of these clips are just straight out hilarious. So this video will be a collection of all my previous mistakes when making these videos, and I also want to explain the behind the scenes, how it works when we make these videos, and also why we need so many gigabytes when we shoot our YouTube videos. Okay, I have to admit that the first reason is that I simply forget to turn off the camera, so I continue to record even though there's nothing interesting in the frame. But sometimes things just simply don't go as planned.
No more battery.
This is our last day here. Because this is our last day here. But we did not realize that we were going to be hiking all morning. Don't take a bus, don't take a cab, just walk. Might be windy, might be cold. Okay, so apparently it's not that cold. Francois?
Oui.
Where are we going now?
Might go to the beach because 3-4 p.m. I think is a good time for little swim.
How long did we say? Did we officially say 1 hour?
We officially said 1 hour.
Okay. Officially, he only took a 1 hour nap today. Hi everyone. No, that doesn't work. I can't have my eyes open underwater. It would have been a sick intro though. This is the worst part. Trying to find the right balcony for me. Is the GPS still available? No. Don't try this at home, kids. That's we're at Howard Hotel. How do we do this? We didn't really think this part through, I think. Howard Hotel does not recommend this. Neither do I. It won't land, you know.
It won't?
It's like the sensors. Well, looks like someone's going for a walk. Be right back, guys. Okay, so this is not going as planned. We're back at the pool area right now. So we need to catch the drone. Didn't manage to fly back into the balcony. That's our balcony, right up there. Had to land the drone down here because it wouldn't fly all the way up into the balcony. Sometimes I forget how to talk. So we're gonna be driving the same way and make a short quick stop at our hotel, and then we're gonna head out And then we're gonna make a quick stop at our hotel and then head out. Jesus Christ. But just because we prefer to stay at the beach this time does not mean that we will still have... But just because we prefer to staying at the beach this time does not mean that we also don't have time to see all these other sightseeing spots. For example, the Ulanwa. For example, the... But just because we prefer to stay at the beach this time does not mean that we also don't have time to check these other sightseeing spots around Kenting. For example, the Ulanwa, the Ulanbi. For example, the Ulanbi lighthouse you see behind me right here. Now you might wonder, Lukas, how did you actually pronounce it in that video you made about Kenting? Truth is, I didn't. Most of the time, we don't know where we are. We're at the top of the red MRT line, up in the north of Taipei. New Taipei? Taipei.
Yeah, one of them. I mean, when we are lost in France, what we generally say is, let's have time to discover this area.
Hmm.
Wrong way.
No entry sign. So we have to go all the way back. Thanks a lot. Also, a lot of time actually goes to setting up the camera and making sure that the frame is on point. Is it recording? As always, yes. Sorry, it's so bright right here. I'm just trying to check the screen and see if it's too bright or not. But it's hard to see.
No recording, Lukas.
In a little cave right now. It's very, very tight, but it's possible, I think. Oh. Francois, can you bring my GoPro later? The life of a YouTuber. I told Francois to pick up the camera on the way, but now I have to go back and pick it up. See? He was right there. Right there. But Francois didn't see it. Okay.
I mean like in the super dark corner over there.
And this takes extra long time when these guys need to make sure they look good enough for the camera. Okay, so we missed the sunset.
I think my hair's alright.
Yeah?
The wind's done a number on it, but
yeah. Okay. But I'm super grateful that they do this actually. Otherwise, you may end up shooting a whole video with the microphone being in the frame as well. So you have to redo the entire video the next day. Don't get me wrong, everything that we're telling you in these videos is true. Sort of, but we always try to make it look as good and as smooth as possible to tell these stories from beginning to the end. Francois, what are your thoughts so far?
I like it. No, I shouldn't do that. Let's do it again.
Francois, what are your thoughts so far?
Yeah, I like it. It's very nice.
So we're done here in the miniature world and we're actually walking up to the train station which they have here. As we're walking up to the train station, I just want to take a short moment and thank Transcend for continuing sending me new products and supporting me and this channel. We're arriving to the train station right now and we're gonna catch that train. Full of lies, full of lies. About the train station part, not Transcend. We're still back where I just started here. That's how you make YouTube videos. And apparently Francois already knows what kind of snacks he wants, because there's one type of snack and one type of store that is super famous down here in Tainan.
But you do realize we're not going to that place, right? Like we are going right here. Here, this street has a lot of food. It's right here.
What Francois does not know is that I'm an editing genius. So we're gonna cut to yesterday when we shot the sequence in Anping Laoji. Welcome to some behind the scenes from when we're out making these YouTube videos. It is Saturday, 7:30. We're down in Kenting. Wes, what are you doing?
You just taught me how to use Instagram story stickers, so I'm really excited about that.
That's the YouTube life right there. So while everyone else is out partying, we're stuck here editing.
Literally the biggest party of the year is going on right down the street, and we're both stuck inside editing our videos, so yeah.
But we don't complain though, well, we just complain. But if there is one place that I would be happy to edit my videos, it is in this hotel room, because it's sick and we have the best view as well. I hope you've seen the video from when we are down here in Kenting. It's wonderful. I just wanted to show you that it's not always, our life is not always as glamorous as we make it seem in our videos. It is though, but there's also a lot of stuff that you don't get to see actually. This is the stuff we normally don't show you when we're making these videos. Just how messy we are. And we have all these chargers and drones and cables just spread out on the floor here. It's a mess. That's why we don't include it in our normal videos. And then we have the B-roll, or the background, which is the part where I don't speak into the camera, where it's me doing something, or it's the nature shot, or it's showing the hiking trail that we're taking. And I spend a lot of time and valuable storage space trying to make these scenes look as great as they possibly can. And I have asked a lot of other YouTubers about this as well, and Alan did come with some great advice.
Yeah, don't overthink. That is true. A lot of time filming B-roll like this, and then I get back and I'm like, oh, I don't even use it.
Oh, I have so much footage that I never use. But did I listen? No. For example, when me and Francois went up to Danshui, Danshui has a port has boats. Definitely our video about Danshui needs a boat. Here's the first boat we saw. We started recording. We walk a little bit further, we see the same boat from a different angle. Still think that the photo looks a little bit shaky, so I'm gonna try it one more time, having the camera still this time. Which one of these shots do you think made the final video? Neither. Here's the drone shot I used instead. But it's not always my fault, because sometimes some other things happen to come in the screen as well. And sometimes it's even on purpose. And apparently Francois has already... And then we have some funny situations, which is just super random, that doesn't just fit into the whole story that I'm trying to tell. So sadly, they don't make the cut.
Money folder. Can you find my account, Francois? Let me check. Should I add 1 0? 2 zeros?
2 zeros.
I also hope that you've noticed that I do spend some extra time editing my videos just to create that editing magic that makes you want to watch my videos. It's time to change. And get ready for day 2. Ta-da! And cut! Perfect. Let's do that one more time with some special effects. And some stuff just has to get censored out. What's the ball for?
To bring you luck.
Who is lucky?
I'm
The one who gets the ball touched or the one touching the ball?
No, okay, Lukas.
And then finally those cards and end screen where we try to interact and actually point exactly in the right spot. Let's see if... Oh, let's do one of these like we point.
Yeah, like this way.
So we have to say like, but you have to stand in the middle and then I stand here and then I bam, bam, but then you have to be in the middle.
In the middle,
Like there.
this.
And it's like you can check it out there and then and then you point up like, so you point, no, here will be the subscribe,
Oh, here.
your video up there,
Yeah.
and my video up there.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh.
So it'll be like, first check out his video, and then my video, and then subscribe.
So, like the head thing?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
The head will be in the middle?
Yeah, up here.
Okay.
But then first I point your video, and then my video.
Should I point as well with you? Or
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
let's do it both.
Yeah. You have it right there, and I will put my latest video here actually. And also, if you're not already subscribing to Francois' channel, you click on his face right there. And we will see you all in the next video.
Sounds good.
Sounds good.